Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Teams on your phone. First, download the Teams app from the App Store or Google Play and sign in with your account. On the bottom menu, you'll see Chat Teams, Calendar, and Calls. Use Chat to message people directly, share files, or send emojis. In Teams, you can join group channels to post updates and collaborate with your team. Asterisk. Now you can tap Calendar to join or schedule meetings with one tap. During meetings, you can mute, turn video on or off, or share your screen. And under Calls, you can quickly start a voice or video call. And that's it. Now you know the basics of using Microsoft Teams on mobile. If this was helpful, make sure to like the video, asterisk, subscribe for more quick tutorials, just like this on Yond. I'll see you in the next one.